doing it on my phone or yours?
Guys. Face not your ass.
Get out of here. Alright.
Okay, bye.
Good trail. With right leg straight.
Don't read the whole
Burn? Well, I gotta demonstrate it.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so sit with right leg straight. Bend left leg so foot touches side of right leg. Slowly bend forward at hips. Keep back straight and try to touch chest to top of leg. Both arms overhead. Slowly drop arms between legs. Excuse me.
Slowly?
These. They are the places that babies grow. Are you with me?
Mm-hmm. I'm
This
good.
tree.
My camera name is Tom. Guys, my camera name is Tom.
What? Tom?
My camera name is Tom.
Oh, no, fit trail.
Copyright.
I said he says in like a stripper.
This one.
It's a
You
paradise.
grasp your elbows overhead and then. I'm so fit
right.
now.
Trust your wrists.
Stop squeaking on my nature! This here is Tom the cameraman.
Yeah.
And this right here is a wild poisonous thing. I'm gonna eat it. Just kidding. I actually don't know what it is. I'm not
It's a pine tree.
Can't
you
No,
get
it's
shit.
true.
Come on. Bradley can't run, or Tom can't run.
Balance walk.
I'll do this one with you. Lad.
Danger is ahead.
No, let me get a close up. Let me get a close up. Let me get a close up. Okay.
Get back here, you wild bullfrog.
Uncle, what's name did he go?
Ooh, those look fun.
Just gonna.
Alright. Come on, Mom.
Where'd the bullfrog go?
So many sticks. I took them all with me.
Aim at grass.
Woods.
Here.
Yeah.
You always have a knife.
That hurt. Now we can go mining.
Are you getting any wood?
Ow!
Oh! No, your wood's gone.
I thought wooden pickaxe works.
Now your Minecraft fans are gonna like disown you.
Yeah.
You're supposed to be using an axe, not a pickaxe.
Oh.
That's a shovel.
Now it's a shovel. Ow! Ow! The piece came off and smacked me.
I'm good, because I cut myself. I just got blocked by a tree. Here we see a pulley. I mean a ram. Jeremiah, listen. Here we see a wild bike. I'm gonna beat the shit out of it. This is a diamondback bear snake.
Oh, you're right there.
Diamondback bear snake.
Now I gotta claim my territory.
Claim my territory.
I was gonna pee on it. I'll claim the territory in the nature. This is a banana flower, not a... Here we see a wild banana flower.
Eat it. No.
Actually, it was a bag, but don't tell anyone.
You got it, sir.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Here we see a front flip bar.
Oh no. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
First, you want to start off little. So
I hit your head anyway.
I'm not gonna do that one because there's dirt plants in the way.
Show me your face. Yeah, there we go.
It shows that we are getting close.
Oh, I still want
Oh.
don't think the camera picked. But my nose did.
I don't think the camera can smell that. Oh no, but my nose did.
I said I don't think the camera picked it up, but I think my nose did.
I'm not gonna walk behind you.
Do you hear that?
Oh, this is pretty.
Run!
This brings tears to my eyes. Because not the full nature thing will be on my channel, but it'll be on yours.
Bullfrog. We have reached our destination at the Wyatt Centre. Andrew is now down his door. Goodbye, everybody.
Get it? Wild. Looks like a lie.
Puns for days!
I think.
Welcome to my nature club. There's a bullfrog throwing stuff at me.
Hi.
Just hit him in the face.
You hit me in the eyeball, you doofus. It
I
bounced.
hit behind you.
I know, and then it bounced off, hit me in the eye.
I hit.
Order in the club.
You turned British from.
This is where we put all our nature clips together.
I don't have a computer.
There's also Tom the cameraman with a knife.
Bigfoot.
That's Bigfoot.
Run, Bigfoot.
I got a Bigfoot camera.
You just ruined the Bigfoot footage. You could have made us rich and famous because you just had to block.
Just fell off the thing. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Enjoy the nature club.